Weng, I'm very excited for this day to come, and today we are finally here in front of our family, our relatives, our friends, and our God.
Kanginang, bago po tayo mag-umpisay sila aking nalapitan at ang nararamdaman nila'y init na kung papaanong handon yung bawat isa sa kanila'y malamang ang masasabi, heto na, naganap na.
As we begin our new journey, our life together, I want you to know that I will be here for you. I know the journey will not be easy, but what matters is that we face it together.
Wala pa nga eh. Oo nga, ano ba yun?
Sometimes when the fight burns through the night, leaving you
I'm sorry for being so stubborn at times. Nagpapakit lang naman ako eh.
to hold you, my dear, to keep you, my dear.
There will be times that I'll get mad at you,
Stars,
I'll be pissed at you, and sometimes I'll shout at you.
you and only you.
Can't wait to see you at the altar. I love you, Mark.
Oh, my love,
Ibig sabihin yun, Mark at Weng, ang inyong pagsasama mula sa araw nito ay panghabang buhay na. Wala nang makapaghihiwalay. Patuloy niyong pagtibayin. Patuloy niyong bigyan ng bako ang inyong pagsasama. Sapagkat tunay nga, ito ang magiging kaganapan ng inyong buhay.
Tandaan mo na ikaw ang pinakamatangkad, pinakagwapo at higit sa lahat, pinakamaputi sa paningin ko. So, you don't need all those whitening stuff para magpaputi. Kung ano yung meron ka, that's good enough for me and that's what I'm looking for. Gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na I love you, mahal.
I promise to be a good husband and a good father to our children. I will love you until the very last breath of my life. I love you, Weng.
steady as we rise, be forever mine. Oh, my love, my life, always you.
Tulad ng inaasahan ng ating Panginoon na kayo ay mamumuhay at magiging isang mabuting halimbawa sa inyong mga anak at sa inyong mga kaibigan at mga kapatid.